Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. We are going to do part B of this exercise now. And in this part we learn the following. The plural of here, she, is hunna. For example, hum ikhwati wa hunna akhawati. Hum, this is masculine, so they are my brothers and they are my sisters. So hunna is going to be used for the feminine plural. The plural of ha, her, is hunna, their. Note that the pronouns for they and their are the same. They are my classmates and this is their house. Hunna zamilati wa hadha baytuhunna. These are my female companions and this is their house. Number 2. We have already learned that the plural of hadihi is haula'i. It is the same for both the masculine and the feminine. So basically, you would use haula'i for both masculine and feminine. We have learned in part A that dhahabu means they went, the masculine form. And the feminine is dhahabna. If you're talking purely about females and it's plural, you would say dhahabna. And the verbs would basically be according to that pattern. Aina ikhwatuka, where are your brothers? Dhahabu ila jami'ati. They went to the university. Aina akhawatuka, where are your sisters? Dhahabna ila al-maktabati. They went to the library. We have already learned that the formation of the sound feminine plural, in the pronunciation the a before the ta is lengthened. In writing, in addition to this, the round ta is changed to open ta. For example, muslimatun changes into muslimatun. Note that the following plurals which are irregular. Bintun, banatun means daughter and daughters. Ukhtun, akhawatun, sister, sisters. Fatatun, fatayatun, young lady and young ladies, the plural of it.